Hello everyone, myself Shilpa. And now most of the parents, this is the admission time. Now we are in the month of April where the admissions, lot of people started going to the to the different schools and inquiring about their curriculum, fees and everything. At the same time, they have one thing in their mind that once my child goes to any school, how is he or she going to settle down? So that worry is there for all the parents, and how long he or she is going to take. So as per CBSE curriculum, preschool starts from the month of March itself. So when it starts, it is there for 1 month. So what I have done is, there are some kids who have been admitted into the new kids who have been admitted into the school. So I have seen a couple of kids who have joined, and some kids are crying and some kids are not crying. So when I try to introspect why is this so, some kids are taking more time to settle down, and however some kids are taking less time, or they have settled down within 1 week. When I talk to their parents, what I realized is they started the kids, they believe their parents very much, they trust their parents because since birth they are seeing them only. I think most of the parents, or most of us, we don't know what we have done in our childhood. How did we settle down? What all the efforts our parents have taken. Irrespective of all those things, what they did is they started creating a story. They started saying that when I used to go to school, my parents never used to be there with me. Grandmother was not there, grandfather was not there. So I used to see a lot of new people there. That time I used to have a feeling of fear that whether my parent will come back or not. But what I see is after 2 hours my parents have come and I was so happy. Then I started going to the school every day and I started making friends, and now she is my friend and he is my friend. Like that they started creating the stories. And this kind of stories they started telling to their kids every day. Something or other about what they have done in their childhood. Although they don't remember anything, they try to create a story out of it. And those kids, they used to listen to their parents and they started believing it. Oh, so this is a safe place. So when they started believing it, when they came to the school, when they joined it for the first time, those kids, they started settling down within 1 week. But however, the kids who haven't been exposed to this kind of talks and all those things, they were taking longer time to settle down. So this is the one way, this is what I feel is, this is the best way to settle your kids faster. Within 1 week, you guys can settle down. You are having enough time right now. You are having almost 2 months. Most of the kids will start going from June. As you are having 2 months of time, what I wanted to say here is, you can also create some stories and tell this kind of stories to your kids, on and off. Either mother or father whom that child trusts a lot, or whom that child is close to. They can start telling all these things, and then slowly the kids, it starts getting registered in their subconscious mind and they start believing it. So those kids settle down faster than the other kids. I hope this video will definitely help you to settle your child faster. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.